Hurry, hurry, step this way. 1 dime, a 10th part of $1. We've got the show if you've got the dime. You get the whole show now if you hurry, hurry, hurry.
As always, the main thing to remember in any kind of convex sharpening is little to no pressure at all. Let the weight of the knife do the work. This knife's already sharp, so I'm just going to show you on 1000 grit paper here. It's, all the principles are exactly the same. Everything's pretty much the same, just with a few little modifications here and there. Okay, the only difference to a recurve is this area right here, and the way I do that is I let my mouse pad hang slightly over the table of the surface that I have it laying on. I pull away from the edge and down a little bit. Still, again, hardly no pressure at all. And you can get that spot right there very well. Now with full height, it'll be a little bit more challenging, but you can do it. Same principle. I feel kind of silly answering this question sometimes, or I feel kind of like people might be thinking I'm trying to be sarcastic. I'm not. Whenever I answer the question, they ask, how do you sharpen on a long knife? I say I sharpen it the same way as a short knife. I use the exact same technique. Again, this is secondary edge sharpening. You can do the same thing at full height. If this were a full height knife, that's how you do it. Same thing with axes. This larger axe, this is a 26-inch handle and like a 3.3 pound head. Another thing different about this is you just have to give yourself some room to work. This end is going to be swinging around when you do this, so make sure the wife's lamps and the flower pots are out of the way. Little to no pressure, pull away from the edge. Stop when you feel the grip the edge. Stop raising that. Same deal. Pull away from the edge. Face the back of the axe. Little to no pressure. And in the field with stone, the same thing. Any convex edge, same thing. Lay it down, pull it back away from the edge until you feel a grip on the edge. Now this will take a little bit more pressure than the sandpaper and mouse pad. Or if you want to do an axe, if you have a puck, you can do that too with circular motions. Same thing with stone. Alright, do the same thing in the field with the Altoids kit. Same principle. Pull away from the edge, light pressure. Rotate until you feel it grip on the edge. Once you feel it grip, stop. Other way. That's all there is to it. This field sharpening kit here, like I said, I don't know who came up with the idea. I saw it on the internet somewhere, but anyway, it's a great idea. The one thing is this sandpaper in this kit It'll hold quite a bit. It should last you a long, long time. To give you an idea, I sharpen knives off of the grinder, come off at a 400 grit, so I sharpen by hand starting at 400 grit, working my way up to 1000 grit. I can sharpen about 10 knives per sheet of paper. So out of that series of sandpaper sharpening, I sharpen 10 knives at least, and that is putting the edge on. So you should be able to sharpen your knife at least 20 times with the one piece of sandpaper, the series.